Tayo ngayon ay nandito sa dressing room sa GMA 7 kasi meron tayong guesting.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hello mga Zoom! Good morning! Tayo ngayon ay nandito sa dressing room sa GMA 7 kasi meron tayong guesting. Ayan ang ating TikTok clock. Hindi ko pa alam ang gagawin pero kasama natin ng aking old friend.
Yay! Masaya dito, te. Tsaka mabilis lang.
Oo nga. Nag-guess na ako dito eh. Pero wala ka noon. Naano ko, napulbusan ako. Nandito pa ba yung game na yon?
Oo, meron pa.
Napulbusan ako. Parang dalawa yung mali ko. Isa lang yung natama ko. Anyway, kung yun pa rin yung game, kailangan makabawi
Pero
tayo.
ngayon parang walang ganun, te.
Wala
Iba
na.
ata. Ito yung,
Iba na.
Ito yung live.
Ano yun sa atin?
Ayan.
Kasama ka sa akin.
Oo.
Tayong dalawa.
Kakasama tayong mag-games. Ayan.
Eto na. So, meron kaming games. Kasama syempre natin si Mama Poki, si Jason, si Kuya Kim. Oy, tiktropa.
Naputol ba natin? Check mo lang.
Ayan. So, kakatapos ko lang ihatid ang mga bata sa school. Tapos, dumiretso na ako dito. Natid ako ni Andy. And later, mga Zoobs, tayo ay pupunta sa taping. Diretso tayo taping ng mga batang Riles.
Wow!
Sa may, sa may Tondo yan. For the Tondo tayo ngayon.
So, as ano ka pala ngayon, super mom.
Mm-mm.
Bilang...
Oo, pumapasok na sila nalipat ko na sila ng school.
Dito na rin?
Dito na rin. Yung bunso ko, first time niya mag-school.
Dito?
Oo. As in first time, kaya ngayon naiyak pa.
Siya.
Iyak
Tsaka hindi pa sanay.
Iba kasi. Though na-enjoy niya, yung process lang ng pag-iniiwan,
Oo,
ayaw niya.
yes,
Tsaka
yes.
yung pagpapunta sa school. Pero kapag nandun na, nagte-text yung teacher, okay na siya, masaya siya. Then after na susunduin, pag susunduin, ang daming kwento. Ay, nakakatuwa din at natututo na siya. So mga Zoobs, update ko kayo mamaya. So now, I'm still fasting. Pero baka pwede na ako mag-coffee later. Minom na ako ng gamot. Ang aking omeprazole. So ayan, see you later. Mag-makeup lang ako. Lopo's here. Jason.
Hello.
Good morning mga Zoobs. So I've just dropped off Diana to her TV guesting. And pagkatapos yan, may taping din siya sa mga batang Riles. So it's a busy day. I've just also dropped off the kids at 7 and 8:30. So we're already very, very busy. Just got here to Daily Burn. So I'm going to hit the gym whilst I wait for Mimi, because she's the one that finishes first at 11:30. So after that, me and Mimi will always get ice cream because she will always ask me. So I take her for ice cream. Syempre, basta magaling siya sa school, tapos mabait, ayun, pwede mag-ice cream. So I just wait on the teacher's report each time. But yeah, long day ahead. I'll get this gym session done first and we'll check in with you later.
That's our look. Look at that hair. I love it. Ganda. Hindi pa pala tapos. Sorry. Yan. For the taste kami ngayon para may volume daw. So kasama natin si Lovely today, si Alex Calleja, at ako. Guest kami sa TikTok vlog.
24 oras. Charot.
Oy! Grabe yung Alex. Napakinggan ka namin tuwing umaga. Nakita niyo naman. Jim Dumasi.
It's always about you, you, you. Always about you, you. It's always about you, you, you. I think it's so rude. It's always about you, you, you. Always about you, you. It's always about you, you, you. I think it's so rude.
50 seconds. Stand by. 50 seconds.
May time tayo dito, 10 minutes to. Tama to, 3 minutes per question. Tama naman. May time.
Abangan niyo po ako everyday sa mga batang riles pagkatapos po yan ng lolo. At syempre ang aking Facebook page, Ryan Bailey Smith. Paki-follow po.
Maraming salamat sa pagkakapunta sa atin today. Tutok lang, tanghalang kampiyon na sa pagbabalikan.
Leaving GMA na, papunta na kami ngayon ni Curtis sa taping. Siya oh.
Bakit siya?
Dito lang. So doon na kami kakain, magpapagrab na lang kami ng pagkain para hindi kami malate. Kasi magto-12 na, tapos 1 p.m. yung call time. Iniwan na namin doon si JM. Kasi dapat kakain pa kami, pero buti na lang hindi na. Kasi nga, baka malate. So on the way na kami sa taping. Being mamaya. Pero mamaya ko na tanggalin yung makeup ko. Hindi ko papatanggal. Grabe, I had fun sa TikTok lang. Gusto ko ma-regular doon. Kasi saglit lang, 30 minutes lang. Parang pwede na. Tingin nyo. Tingin nyo guys.
Ayun guys, I'm here with Mimi and
drive, Daddy.
so Mimi wants to drive, but don't worry guys, we're just here. Nasa car park lang. Why do you want to drive?
I want to drive by myself.
May license ka ba?
Yes.
Meron. Saan? Saan? Eh, wala kang wallet. Feeling niya may license siya. But anyway, we are a little bit early. We got a good park here at the school, so we have to wait for Lele. And
Empty my foot.
then we'll probably go eat after. Where do you want to go eat?
I want.
You want the chicken poppers?
No.
You don't like those? You love those, you eat those every day. But basta, Mummy's at work, she just finished though, and she's on the way to her next taping. But yeah, we're gonna relax here. We got 50 minutes, so I just gotta entertain this little girl while we sit here in the car park.
Sweet.
Say goodbye.
Bye bye.
With your feet pa?
Bye bye.
Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taping. Waiting lang sa dressing room. Ayan. Sige lang, sige lang. Ay, Miss Nel! Ay,
Ganda ng scene yun ni... Ayun doon sa basement.
ay, yung ano doon. Okay, lunch break po kami. Ayan po ang pagkain namin. Pansit, tokwat baboy, sisig, at saka sisling tofu. Ito po ay sinigang. Kain na!
Yan, so we're back. This girl wanted to go swimming. Ano naman. Every day. You guys gonna go swimming as well? Yeah, and then park after, no? Mimi was getting hot kasi.
There's cologne.
Yeah. After this, they will shower and go to the park while I edit.
It's cold, Dada.
It's cold. Okay lang. Kasi, di ba sabi mo mainit ka?
Daddy, look.
Oh! Not too high. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Well, have fun, memes.